If you are an accountant, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your accountant business. If you are an accountant, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding booking, appointment, tax advice and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Here, as you can see, I have made this chatbot for small business accountant using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web and over here, I'm going to type a key message. For example, hey, as soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply which welcomed me to Pabbly Accounting Service. With that, they have given me 3 action buttons which I can choose according to my requirement. Let's say I want to book appointment. For that, I will click book appointment. After clicking on book appointment, they have asked me few details of mine like my full name, preferred date and time, and my purpose for appointment. I will enter my details like demo user, preferred time will be 20th May, 3 p.m. and purpose would be text filling. As soon as I have entered all my details, I got a message that once we receive the details, a team member will confirm your slot. And with that, they have given me 2 action buttons, menu and talk to support. Let's click on menu. After selecting the menu option, I again got the initial message. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within seconds and made my customer experience so much better. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to make this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and type pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you have searched this, you will be landed on pabbly.com page. Over here, you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free, but as I am an existing user, I will click on sign in. You will be redirected to the dashboard. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place without opening WhatsApp separately. To add your WhatsApp number, you need to click on add WhatsApp number which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, business account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Okay, not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is inbox option where you can manage all your conversation with your customer without opening WhatsApp separately. Below that, there is a contact section where you can create new contacts and separate according to your requirement. After that, there is team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team members and also review their performances. After that, there is a template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chart. Below that, there is broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer with customized template. Next, there is Flow, which is a powerful tool to create chatbot. After that, there is AI assistant, setting and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. Okay, as we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, you need to click on flow option and you will be landed on flow builder page. Over here, to create a new flow, you need to click on top right corner on the add flow button. As soon as you clicked on that button, you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you can see a window is open named by flow start. Inside this, there are keywords, regex and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chart. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. After that, we have keywords. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Okay, as we got to know about each feature, let's get started building this flow. For that, you need to give a meaningful name to this flow. As we are making this chatbot for accountant, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your small business accountant. After giving a meaningful name, I will enter reject, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. As soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with media. For that, I will drag and drop media button over here and connect with my flow start. That means as soon as my customer enter a message, a welcome message with media will be delivered to them. Over here, I'm going to browse an image. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to enter a welcome message. For that, I'm going to click add content. After that, I'm going to select text button. Here, I'm going to type welcome message, which welcome my customer and give few details about my company. After entering welcome message, I want to send few action button with it. For that, I'm going to click add button option and enter my text, book appointment. For my next action button, again, I'm going to follow the similar step and enter quick tax tip. And for my third action button, I will enter talk to support. After entering all three action button, I want to give separate message for each action button. Let's start with book appointment. For that, I need to ask few questions from my customer. To ask question, I will drag and drop ask question button over here and connect with my action button. That means as soon as my customer select this action button, a question will be asked to them. Here, I'm going to write a message in which to book an appointment, I have asked few details of my customer like full name, date and time, and the purpose. After entering all the details, I will select my contact custom field as details and my format as any. Now, you must be wondering how to add contact custom field. For that, you need to save your flow and come with me to the settings section. Here, you can see a feature contact custom field. By clicking on there, you will be landed on this page. Here you can add as many contact custom field as per your requirement. As you can see, I have added multiple contact custom field. Now I will resume back to my flow. After getting my customer's detail, I want to send them a confirmation message. For that, I will drag and drop and select the text button over here. Here I'm going to type message in which I mention that a team member will contact them and book their slot. As you can see, I have put few message between stars. That means I want to highlight these message. With this message, I want to send action button as well. I will click on add button option and enter my text, menu and talk to support. I will connect my menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as my customer click on menu button, this initial message will re-delivered to them. After completing our first action button, let's move to our next action button, which is quick text tip. For that, I will drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message in which I will mention all the tips like this. With that, I'm going to add two action buttons similarly, talk to support and menu. Again, I'm going to reconnect my menu button with our initial message and give a separate message for talk to support. By dragging and dropping, selecting the text button, I will enter my message which says connecting you to a live accountant from Pabbly. Hang tight, someone from our expert team will be with you shortly. With that, I have mentioned our phone number as well. Now, I'm going to connect every talk to support button with these message. Something like this. As you can see, I have entered all the desired information that would be needed to run our chatbot for accountant business. After that, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As soon as I have clicked on save, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.